Hey guys, coming at you from my vehicle. I just picked up a dozen donuts for the girls at the hair salon because I'm getting my hair done. I also think I have bronchitis. That's neither here nor there. Also, how do you like my shades? I got these from Joe Fresh yesterday and I'm kind of obsessed. Okay, I've got 5 minutes to spare. I never have time like this. This is awesome. I'm always like hustling to get to that salon on time. Couple details. Jack is having a very hard day. So Patra is on her way to get him from school. I'm feeling a slightly bit guilty because I have this appointment, but like I've been waiting weeks for this appointment. Mom life sometimes. He's just sad. He's not actually sick. Daddy's leaving for work today and they have spent the last 10 days with him, so emotions are running high. Okay, let's go do this hair transformation from brown to something else. Let's go. All right, so Courtney's giving me the lowdown. Okay, so what are we doing? We're stripping the hair.
Yes, like removing all the color and then toning it.
Okay. Because the problem is we colored it in June, which is still a long time ago. But we're thinking like half the hair, right?
Yeah.
And so you don't kind of know.
Color about there.
Okay.
I think it should come out okay though.
Okay. All right. Let's just do it. All right. What happens? Let's do it. Time for a change. We are getting there. So she's already done 2 bowls of color. She's back there. Bowls of color? I don't know what it's called. But there's a lot of bleach going in this hair. Let's see what happens. Not entirely sure what the end result will be, but I'm looking forward to it. What's gonna happen next? My knee just gave out. I'm getting old, guys. Well, good morning from me. My cough and my new hair. Blonde? Is that what we're saying it is? Okay, so what's happening today? Currently making coffee. I've been up for like 2 hours. It's only 7 a.m. Wonderful. I fell asleep at 9 p.m. last night, so I got a lot of sleep. I do envision a nap for myself today at some point. I am battling what I think is a little bit of bronchitis. Yesterday I felt pretty sick. Can I be totally honest with you? Like, really unwell. Like I was like, do I need to go to the hospital? I felt like very heavy on my chest. Today I feel better. So that's a good sign. I'm actually going to grab a Tylenol right now. And my plan for the day is I have a couple of work things to do, and then I'm going to, if I feel okay, do a little tidy, and then hopefully have a nap before I have to pick up the kids from school. And we're just going to hopefully go with that. Dean's away, so I'm back to solo parenting. Anyway, I don't want to talk for 12 minutes. So that's what's happening. Let's have coffee and toast, and then we'll think about our day and get lunches ready. I am mid-dinner prep, and I think it's mostly for me. I'm making a broccoli cheese potato soup. I've chopped up the broccoli and the potatoes in there, garlic, onion. I'm kind of modifying it here and there. It calls for bacon on top, so I'll add some of that. And this is from centercutcook.com, and that's what it looks like. Instant pot cheddar broccoli and potato soup.
All the girls got the bodies. Take a shot on shorty. High key never fading. First class cause the baby. Backpack keep it wavy. So dark like I'm Hades. Let me ride with you, yeah. Everybody's talking about us. Let me ride with you, get high with you, yeah. Everybody's talking about us. We're gonna want it night.
pressure cook for 5. And this is up. Okay. I am a clean while I cook. Alright, I'm a clean while I cook kind of person, so let's get this all cleaned up. And there it is, finished product. All done. I blended it with my hand mixer. I know you did. I'm gonna add some cheese on top.
Hey, watch this.
And some bacon.
Let's watch this.
And I just got back from taking the kids to the movies. And I was like, you know what? I don't normally buy cookbooks, but Angela Liddon is obviously uber successful because of her Oh She Glows, you know, information and stuff. She's also a friend of a friend. And I was like, you know, I think this is what I'm looking for. I like the concept of this, like everyday, simple, satisfying recipes. I took a peek through it and there was some good stuff. And I'm really trying to go and increase like plant-based recipes into my diet. What'd you get, buddy?
Fortnite.
Oh, something from Fortnite.
Here you go, Zaka. What's yours?
Whoa, what is that? You know what that is, Jackie? It's a slime ball dodge tag.
Oh my god.
Cool, Esme. That's like
So-
You got it. Say thank
Nailed
you.
it.
Say thank you, Esme. Thank you, Esme. Oh my god, is that a remote control car?
Yeah, it is. It goes on anything.
nice.
The battery.
Happy birthday